So hi friends, today I'm going to tell you what is the price of every iPhone which is available in India and Indian variants. So here we will write apple.com hashtag in hashtag. So this is the Apple original website of India. So it came like this only, same. It's just the same. So these are the latest. So we will take the section of iPhone. So the models available in iPhone are 12 Pro, 12, iPhone SE, iPhone 11 XR. And friends, these are models which are now available to you, in which you will get warranty. Other products you won't get warranties. So then we will take iPhone 12 Pro. View pricing. So friends, here come two models in the section of 12 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro is coming. No, we don't want to do trading. So the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, these are the two sections, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. The display has main stuff. So 12 Pro we have taken. So color you can take, the color doesn't give you any pricing. So 128 GB has the pricing 1,19,900. 256 GB storage 1,29,900. 512 GB storage has 1,49,900. And then we will go to Pro Max. So color silver we have only taken. So the storage 128 GB have the price of 1,29,900. 256 GB 1,39,900. 512 GB 1,59,900. So we have done this of iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. Now iPhone 12. View pricing. So no, we don't want to trade. iPhone 12 mini and 12. So the mini is with too much small display, and 12 has a display same of 12 11 6.1 inch. So first 12 mini, and these are all series of iPhone 12 is 5G. So we will take blue. 64 GB storage 69,900. 128 GB storage 74,900. 256 GB storage 84,900. Now 12, same color. 64 GB storage 79,900. 128 GB storage 84,900. And 256 GB storage 94,900 is the pricing. We will close this window. Then SE, we will come in iPhone SE. Bye. So we don't want to trade him. So we will take white. Then 64 GB 39,900. 128 GB 44,900. 256 GB 54,900. Yeah, if you want to buy, you are having 54,900, you can go for iPhone 11 also now from Apple website only. The storage will be 64 GB. Now iPhone 11. Come to the pricing point. Oh, it automatically takes you into the pricing. So no, we don't want to trade. I will take black color. I am also buying, so I will take black color only. 64 GB 54,900. 128 GB 59,900. 256 GB 69,900. Then we will come to XR. And friends, one more thing, in iPhone 11 you can shoot a 4K video, but not in iPhone XR. No, we don't want to trade. So I will take color white. 64 GB storage 47,900. 128 GB storage 52,900. Then compare. So now we will come to AirPods. So friends, if I give you, yeah, it has came here. When you get AirPods, when you buy iPhone 11, our Diwali offer begins on 17/10/20. In my previous video I was finding it. So the people who watched my previous video or haven't watched, you can watch. So this is the deal. You will get this one. It's without wireless charging case, so it doesn't support QI. So AirPods. It also come in the category of iPhone because it works only with iPhone. So buy. So I will buy. I will also buy this only. Just I will buy it from Amazon because the price on Amazon is 22,000. So 24,900. Now AirPods. So listen friends, you can buy just from anywhere. If you get low price, good quality, means same only. So in this it comes just accessories. So the AirPods with wireless charging case. So what is in the wireless charging case? Some people have only wireless charger, they don't keep wire chargers, so they can buy this. Otherwise, if you buy AirPods with charging case, means it doesn't support any wireless charging, so it will cost you 14,900. With wireless charging case, it will cost you 18,900. And if you buy externally AirPods, so charging case, wireless charging case of AirPods, so it will cost you 7,000 rupees. But the AirPods aren't included, just there is case. So our AirPods also price given to all of you. Now accessories. And friends, I am telling, the iOS 14 is just super. I have used in my father's phone, my mother's and my grandfather's phone. It means too much easy to use. And if you take my opinion, so you should buy iPhone 10 and onwards, because in my father and my mother both have iPhone 10. So I use it and iPhone 7. These three phones are there. So I use all of this. But the quality which is in iPhone 10 and onwards is too much super duper. Mean the usage is too much less. So now accessories. We will come to the accessories. Now these are the featured accessories of iPhone 12. It's a case, it's a max. So friends, first of all, what the thing was tell with iPhone, it has a magnet behind it. You can just, it's a purse, wallet. See, shop by category. So you can just, so what is there? Yes, what is HomeKit? I can tell you this also. A HomeKit is a thing which consists of HomePod and all. So friends, I have shown you all the accessories and everything. If you also have some queries, just give me a comment. I will make a video on that query. Thank you.